let's get in some practice on some of these light calculations. So here, this first one, we're given a wavelength of light, and we want to know what the frequency is. So again, don't memorize these equations. I'll give them to you. We know that speed of light equals frequency times wavelength. Therefore, we know frequency equals speed of light divided by wavelength. So let's do that here. Speed of light is 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. And we're given nanometers. We can't cancel meters and nanometers, so let's go ahead and convert that. We know that 1 meter is 10 to the 9th nanometers, and we have 632.8 nanometers. Again, I'll give you most of these equations. You just need to know to apply them. Remember, frequency is an inverse unit, so everything should cancel, but seconds are in the denominator. So let's see if I still have speed of light. Yes. So speed of light times 10 to the 9th. And then let's divide that by 632.8. We'll get a big number. So we're going to have big exponents here. So make sure you get the powers of 10 correctly. Do not write this entire number. So 4.74 times 10 to the 14th. And I usually just write per second. You could write seconds to minus 1, or you could write hertz. All those are correct units. Next, this time we want to know the wavelength when we're given a frequency. So using our same equation here, we'll find that wavelength equals speed of light divided by frequency. So let's do that. Let's take speed of light, 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Now, here's where things get a little bit weird. So, frequency is an inverse unit. So it means this many per second. So this mega here, we got to do something with it. So let's write the number for the frequency. Mega means how much? I hope you said, Dr. B, it means million. Yes, like mega millions. So go ahead and make that conversion, because that's how many waves per second. So when you're dividing by frequency, because it's the inverse seconds, that's how those units cancel out. So we're going to have a unit that is meters for our final answer. Divided by 100.2, and you can just hit e to the 6th on that one to take care of that mega. So 2.99 meters. So those aren't too difficult, but you definitely have to consider the calculations involved and the units involved there. That's really probably the trickiest thing with any of these light calculations.